So we are loading our RPD. Go for the lock and edit configuration. Go for the lock and edit configuration. Close it. Close it. Then deployment tab. Then deployment tab. Then deployment tab. Click on browse. Then select our RPD which is latest in the version. So B201 is our RPD. In that one latest version we need to select 201 and latest version we need to select. Latest version always you need to decide, not like that. You need to decide first, try to go for this, expand this one like this. Then you can see what is the latest version is available. Out of which don't load log file, don't load SAV file. You need to load what's a RPD file, you need to load it. Select the RPD file. Select the RPD file. Click on open. Provide the password as RR capital ITEC small 123. Provide password as RR capital ITEC small 123. And confirm password also RR capital ITEC small 123. Now, in the corner we have here apply button. Click on this apply button. Then automatically we can confirm version is what, sir? Updated. Click on activate changes. Click on activate changes. We'll get one pop-up window. In that pop-up window, activation completed successfully message will be coming. Once we got that message, we need to click on close. We need to click on close. Shortly it is coming, close it. Now go to the availability tab. Now go to the availability tab. This is the availability tab. Select BA server, click on restart selected, click on S. So you did successfully loading your RPD. You did successfully loading your RPD. Now what happened is, let us assume like most of the projects will be running in on-site and offshore model, right? On-site and offshore model. Let us assume like I am working from India. And my on-site coordinator is available in USA. USA is available. Suppose I have chance to work for the two clients in USA. One is Amgen, one is HealthNet. These are the two clients I worked. Okay, in the Thousand Oaks, California. The other one also Woodland Hills. That is what the two areas what I worked. Woodland Hills. Now, what I would like to go for is, let us say that guy has only access of the RPD. I have only access of the reports. That guy has access of the RPD. Daily, whatever work it is coming, he will be take care of entire RPD work. I will take care of entire reports and dashboards works. I used to take care of it. That's how my roles and responsibilities are divided. Then what happened is, one fine day he completed RPD development and we sent one mail to offshore team by saying, I completed RPD development. Please go ahead with the reports and dashboards development and let me know if you face any problem. But unfortunate thing is, he did one mistake in the join conditions. He did what, sir? One mistake in the join conditions, and he's saying like it's completed. Let us open RPD in online mode, sir. Let us open RPD in online mode. Open RPD in online mode. Open. Then online mode. Now provide your password as RR capital ITEC small 123. User password also RR capital ITEC small 123. Click on open. Wantedly, I would like to do one mistake. Let us say go to the ORCL. There I have this, what the joins are available. Actually, products is equal to product key is equal to prod key is correct. But due to my mistake, by mistake I selected here product key is equal to period key I selected. Then I am trying to click on OK, click on close, check in changes, whatever changes I did that should be applicable to the server, pushing into the server. Now I am sending one mail to you by saying my RPD development is completed, please go ahead with your report development. Then I am a developer, then I am going to the reporting end, then I am trying to develop a report. What is the report I am developing is, go to the new analysis, supplier sales representative. Yes, Anupama, now is it clear? Now it is clear. All the online folks are able to hear me properly? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, what I am saying is, he developed RPD with one mistake, and he sent a mail to an offshore team by saying, I completed my RPD development, please go ahead with your report development. Now I am seriously went here and I am trying to develop a report with the two columns. Let us say one column is called as type code column. Second column is called as dollars column. I am taking two columns. One column is called as type code column. Second column is called as dollars column. Dollars column. Once I selected this type code column and dollars column, click on the results. Whenever I clicked on the results, I am seeing here what I am seeing, sir. No results. I am seeing no results. Now I need to debug this one. How I can debug? Now I need to debug this one. I need to identify the root cause of this problem. Root cause of the problem. Where to start to identify the root cause? That's where my problem. Now, to identify the root cause, always you need to remember, you need to start with the log. Log of what, sir? Server log or report log? Report log only we need to go. This report log, where it is available? That report log is available if you go to the administration option. That is what the administration option. Click on leave page. There I have manage sessions. If you go and see, read this line carefully. View Oracle Business Intelligence session information, including active users and queries. That means who are the users accessing my application and what are the queries are ran. Those are things I can see from this one. Click on that manage sessions option. Then you can notice here, I have here active sessions. Active sessions are, how many sessions are active, sir? Only one session is active, that is WebLogic. From what is the host address, sir? This was the host address. Session ID is, this was the session ID. He is accessing using the browser. The browser is what, sir? Mozilla browser. Logged on. This was the timings he logged on. And last access is, this was the last access. Okay. And if you go and see next one, here vlog, two things are available. Something which is starting with the DXE, this will be available in the format of XML format. So you cannot understand anything. So ignore this one and go for next one is what, sir? This is what the vlog is available. Go for that vlog. Click on that vlog. Whenever you clicked on vlog, click on vlog. Whenever you clicked on vlog, excellent, we are seeing surprisingly, what we are seeing, sir? No log found we are seeing. We came here to know the log, but unfortunately it is saying as no log is available with me. Then how to make this to display some log? To make this to display some log, then we need to learn compulsory one chapter. That chapter is called as enabling the logging. How to enable the logging for our environment or user level, those all things you need to understand. First point is available. Oracle BA server provides a facility for logging query activity at the individual user level. So log we are able to enable environment level or user level, sir? User level. By seeing this point, you come to understand we are going to enable log, not the environment level. We are going to enable log for user. That means for RAM user, I can give here some log. For John user, I can give something. For Jen user, I can give something else. Am I clear? Like that, I can give whatever logs I want. I can give those logs. Let us go and try to do that one. How to give the log. Yes, open RPD in online mode. Already it is available in online mode. Then go to the manage menu. In the manage menu, I can see one option that is called as identity. If I click on the identity, then right side work area, I have two tabs. One is called as users. Second is called as application rules. users and application roles, these are the things available. In fact, here users is showing empty. Actually, users in case of OBAW 10G, users used to create inside the RPD only. We used to create in what, sir? In RPD. But this is not possible in case of 11G. It is not possible in case of 11G. Actually, in case of 11G, where these users are available? Is in one of the active directory that is called as LDAP. LDAP stands for Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. Now, actually users are available inside the LDAP. Now I want to get the users here. How I can get it? How to query the LDAP database? To query LDAP database, we have one user-friendly options are there. Go to the action menu, left side top corner, action menu. There I have set online user filter. Specify wildcard filter to fetch users, empty for no fetch. Now I want all the users I want, so provide here wildcard characters, let us say star. Click on OK. Then we can see all the users which are available in the LDAP we are able to see here. Now we can observe here one of the user that is known as WebLogic user. Double click on WebLogic user and observe one point here. That point is called as log level. By default log level is what, sir? 0. 0 means what, sir? No log. 0 means what, sir? No log. 0 means no log. Now what are the max log is available here? If we go for the keep on increase this one, we'll come to understand what is the max level is possible. Keep on increase that one, you will be stopped by 7. You stop by what, sir? 7. That means log levels are possible from 0 to 7. Total 8 log levels are available. 0 to 7, 8 log levels are available. And by default log level for any user, is what, sir? 0. By default log level for any user is 0. Now I want to go for the WebLogic user. I want to increase this log level is equal to what, sir? 1. I want to increase this log level is equal to 1, and I will see what is the log we are going to get it. Whenever you modified something in the RPD, to push these changes, whatever things you did to push these changes into a server, the server is called as Oracle BI server. You need to do one option that is called as what, sir? Check-in changes. Click on that check-in changes. Click on S. Then you can observe here consistency check, fixed certain objects, there are no errors, warnings, best practices, violations, left to the report. Click on OK. Now we completed one point. The point is WebLogic user log level previously available as 0. Now I updated that towards 1. Let us go for the reporting end and we'll try to develop the same report. Whenever you change user level property, always it is recommended sign out and sign in so that the property will be reflected here. So sign out and sign in. I am trying to sign out. Let us go for the sign in. Provide your user ID as WebLogic and password as RRITech123. Now let us go for one point. Administration I am clicking. Manage sessions I am clicking. Then are you observing the log whatever available previously we have some logs here, those logs are not available. That means this whatever you are seeing, this also called as one thing that is called as what, sir? Cache. But what is which server cache this is? This is a cache of the server Oracle Business Intelligence, what, sir? Presentation server. Oracle BI presentation server. What is the server, sir? Oracle BI presentation server cache. Okay, actually the caches are divided into two types. Caches are divided into two types. One is called as Oracle BI PS, and other is called as Oracle BI server. Oracle BI server. So cache is available in two levels. One is Oracle BI server level. Second is Oracle BI presentation server level. However, Oracle BI presentation server level cache will be vanished automatically whenever you sign out and sign in. So Oracle BI presentation server cache is what, sir? Session is the scope. Scope is what, sir? Scope is session scope. Scope is session scope. Whenever this session I logged out and logged in, automatically this log will be vanishes. Now go to the new and try to develop the same report. Go to new and try to develop same report. Supplier sales representative. Then I want to develop the same report. One is called as product type. Product type, same column I want to take it, type code, then dollars. Before running the report, I am going back here. Let us say manage. Here I have one cache. This cache is what, sir? Oracle BI server cache or Oracle BI presentation server cache? RPD is controlled by which server, sir? Oracle BI server. So this is the RPD property. That is the reason this cache is called as Oracle BI server cache. Here also I don't have any cache, so we are happy. Let us move on to the front end and try to click on results. Now we can observe here again we got the no results, that is expected. Even I am saving this one. Even I am saving this report. Why? Because in down the line I need not create the same report again and again. So I'm saving into one folder. I'm creating one folder. B201 folder I want to create here. B201 is our batch number. I'm creating here. We are understanding what, sir? Log level we are understanding. So I am giving the name as log level. Log level. Now go to the administration, manage sessions. Administration, manage sessions. Then you can notice here one point. The point is I got here some log. As usual. Previously, whatever way you got it. Click on that view log. Which one you need to click, sir? Last but one always. Now last but one only you click. That's what we got, this one. Now using this query, are you able to identify the root cause of the problem or not? We need to analyze. For that, let us go for line by line. What is available in this query? I have in this query, first line if you go and observe, I have one information that is called as who ran my report. Who ran my report, sir? WebLogic. One user can log in at 10 o'clock. He can log in at 11 o'clock. He can log in at 12 o'clock. That means a user may be having a number of sessions or not, sir? A number of sessions. Once I logged in, I can run report 1, I can run report 2, I can run report 3. That means a number of requests are possible in one session. So from the first line, you come to understand who ran my report, what is the session ID, what is the request ID. These are the three informations what I am coming across. Let us move on to the next one, that is called as SQL. What type of SQL, sir? It is SQL request. It is a logical request. What is it, sir? Logical request. What you mean by logical is, it is saying as from supplier sales representative. Is it a database table, sir? Is it a database table? No, it is not a database table. It is a subject area in the presentation layer. Okay, that is the reason this RPD, this SQL, whatever available, this SQL is RPD terminology SQL. Even dollars, is a column in the database, or in the BMM layer you modified ACTL EXTND into dollars, sir? In the BMM layer, we only modified ACTL EXTND column into dollars. Actually, this dollars backend pointing towards, sir, ACTL EXTND column it is pointing. So dollars is my logical name. It is coming from ACTL EXTND. What I would like to confirm is whatever logical SQL is available, this logical SQL is using the terminology. What is the terminology it is using, sir? It is using RPD terminology. This query is called as logical SQL. SQL query, logical SQL query. This logical SQL query will be understood by only Oracle BI server, not the database server. If I go and take as it is this one, if I execute in my database, will it execute or will it throw error, sir? Okay, if I go and execute in SQL developer, I am opening SQL developer. Then if I execute that one, it is going to throw error. Why? Because this table is not available, that table is not available, like that, it is going to throw the error. Suppose I am going to the supplier 2, then I am trying to provide the query here. Let us go for execute it. Then it's saying as table or view does not exist. It is a Oracle error. So what I mean to say is this is a subject area name which is available in the presentation layer. Okay, that point is very clear. Let us move on to the next line. Next line contains here query status. Query status is what, sir? Successful or failed, terminated. These are the three status which are possible. Successful, failed, terminated. These are the three status which are possible. As for the condition, product key is equal to period key. Both are what, sir? Data types are number. That is the reason all the values of the product key, all the values of the period key is trying to equate. No one is equal. That is the reason saying as what, sir? No data is available. But syntax wise, my query is correct or not, sir? Syntax wise, my query is correct. That is the reason query status is what, sir? Successful. Query status is successful. Now, physical query response time. How much time it is taken? To execute the query? You need to understand that point. How much time it is taken exactly is, it's taken 0 seconds. Within no time it is executed. Now, physical query summary status. How many physical queries created in this transaction? Only one physical query is available. And what is elapsed time? I can say these three things. Directly, indirectly, talking about what, sir? Query execution time. Yes or no, sir? Directly, indirectly, talking about query execution time. Now, if people understand in log level 1, what are the points you observed, sir? I hope these are the points you observed. Username is available, session ID is available, and request ID is available for each query. Now, SQL for the request using business model names is available. Query status, success, failure, termination, timed out, these are the things are available. Elapsed time for query, compilation, execution, query cache, and backend database processing is available. This is what the information is available in level 1. And using this information, are you in a position to identify the root cause of the problem? No, we are not able to identify the root cause of the problem. To identify the root cause of the problem, yes, I need to go back and I need to increase the log level to 2. Then we'll see what will happen. Yes, for that, go to the RPD again. And try to increase the log level from 1 to 2. Yes. Already if WebLogic user is available, you can directly double click on that one. Already WebLogic user is available, you double click. I want to increase this to the 2. Now, close this one, close this window, check in changes. Check in changes. Click on S. Now go to the front end, sign out and sign in. Click on OK this one. Go to the front end, sign out and sign in. Go to the front end browser. Left side we have the browser. This is what the browser available. Then sign out and sign in. So I am going for browser back button. Then sign out. Then sign in. Then WebLogic user sign in. And already you developed the report, right? Your developed report you can access in this way. We have the beside home button, one thing that is called as what, sir? Catalog. Click on that catalog. Then you can see your folder 201. There I have the report log level. Open that report. Then we are seeing again no results. That also expected. Now what I want to do is, I want to go to the administration, go and see the log, administration, manage sessions. Now, tomorrow if you have multiple logs are available, let us say 100 logs are available. I want to see particular report log I want to see. How you can identify the particular report, sir? By seeing here, information column is available, and the information column type is equal to what, sir? Report name is equal to what, sir? Shared path, B201 folder, log level, here it is available, How many records it is fetched also, that is available here. Okay, now I want to go for view log, click on that view log. Now see here, comparatively log level 1, we got somewhat bigger log or not, sir? Somewhat bigger log we got. Now is this log is going to help you out to debug our problem or not? We'll try to identify. First point is available as usual. It is giving the information like username is what, session ID is what, request ID is what. Request ID is nothing but, let us say I ran report 1. That means that is one request ID. I ran report 2. That is one request ID. I ran report 3. That is one request ID. Am I clear? Like that, how many times you are running different reports, that means request IDs will be generated. Am I clear, Anupama? Right. Now let us go for next one. This is called as SQL query. SQL query is available. This SQL query already we saw, not sir? It is a logical SQL query or it is physical SQL query? This is a logical SQL query only. Next one. I think next one is something new which is not available in log level 1. What is this called as, sir? General query info. This is not available in log level 1. Now, if you go and see under this general query info, what is the information we are seeing? We are seeing the information repository name is equal to what, sir? Star. Where you given repository name is star, sir? Yes, in ncase config.ini file, we are giving, we by default that is available, not we are giving, by default that is available. If you go to the instance 1, config, Oracle based server component, core application, ncase config.ini, there you can find out what is there, sir? Star is equal to, this is available. Suppose in place of the star, I am writing something else, that something else will be coming in the log. You need not keep this as a star only, we can write whatever you want. But as a best practice, no one is going to disturb this one. That is what the repository name, what it is coming here. Second, subject area name. If you go and see the BMM layer, what is the business model name, sir? The business model name, whatever available, that one we are calling it as subject area here. And presentation name, whatever presentation name is available, that one it is coming here. So I can say it is giving information like repository name is what, business model name is what, and subject area name is what. These are the three informations what it is giving. Now I would like to go for next one that is called as very important one, that is called as general query info is completed. This one is very important. Sending query to where, sir? Database named as what, sir? WARCL. This WARCL name I captured from where? Here. What is the name of this one? WARCL. What is the connection pool name? B201_CP named as WARCL. By taking help of the connection pool named as what, sir? B201_CP. Now tell me, connection pool is a important object or not, sir? Connection pool is very important object. Between OBAWE and database, main object means I can say connection pool. Connection pool contains database name, username, password. Whenever you are running your report, you are not providing anywhere username and password. Database username and password you are not providing anywhere. Still I am getting data from the database means what, sir? Because of the connection pool object only. That must have important object, that connection pool. Okay. Yeah, connection info it contains. Right. Now let us move on to this query. This query, if you go and observe, select sum of ACTL, EXT and D from so and so table, group by something is available. Suppose this query if I take here as it is, I am copying it, I am going to the reporting end. I'm sorry, database. I'm executing here. Will it going to execute or not, sir? Okay, it is executed and it is given the data is what, sir? Nothing. By seeing this query, are you in a position to debug the problem or not? Period key is equal to product key is available, which is the wrong. Then what I can do is I can take beautiful screenshot. Of this one and I can send back to my on-site coordinator. Okay, I have chance to develop my report, but however it is giving no results. I went for the log and I noticed I found your join condition is somehow it is mistakenly given wrongly. Could you please correct this one and send back? That's how we are going to request to the on-site coordinator. That guy is going to correct it and is going to send back to us. Am I clear? So by this what my main focus is, log is helping you to debug what, sir? Report issues, anything is available, you can debug it. And in that log, we have to go for log level is equal to 0 or log level is equal to 1 or log level is equal to 2. Log level is equal to 2 only we need to go because that only helping you to query, physical SQL query it is giving. Physical SQL query is possible only in log level 2, not in log level 1. That is the reason we are going for the log level 2 we are going. And yes, I have log level 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In fact, most of the times we'll go for the log level 2 only, sir. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are going to give more details than log level 2. That is, I agree that one. Always remember, lower log level is subset of higher log level. In one, whatever it is displaying, those all things are available in the 2 or not, sir? In log level 1, whatever it is displaying, those all things are available in log level 2. In log level 2, whatever available, those all things are available in log level 3. Lower level log level is always subset of higher level log level. However, most of the times we'll go for log level 2. Log level 2 is enough to debug our problems. That's what we are going for the log level 2. I will talk more about that later. As of now, continue with your log. Now, we understand this one. Here I got one important information that is called as by default it is giving the query. But how many records it is giving, sir? 65,001 record. Tell me, data warehouse is a transactional data or analytical data storage, sir? Data warehouse, transactional data storage or analytical data storage? Analytical data storage. Analytical data means it's a detailed data or summarized data? It's a summarized data. Analytical data means what, sir? It's a summarized data. I won't have the information. Okay, this customer this second what he did. Okay, I will have very summarized data will be available. That is the reason this tool is designed. OBW tool is designed to develop the reports on the analytical data or the data warehouse. That is the reason 65,000 records are enough. That's what the assumption. By default, from the database, how many records are enough, sir? 65,000 records are enough. That's what assumption. And by default, all the queries will be having this filter. Whatever reports are going to run, that report corresponding SQL is going to fetch only 65,000 records from the database. Only 65,000 records from the database. Why like that is, that is correct, 65 records. Why like that is, if you go and see here, capacity management, that parameter is of one parameter, by default it is set actually. Go and read this line. Maximum number of rows processed when rendering a table view. The setting limits how much data is retrieved from the BA server and processed. The default value is what, sir? 65,000. Reducing the maximum number of rows processed can significantly improve what, sir? Performance. By reducing the system resources that can be consumed by a given user session. That means you can increase this one at the cost of what, sir? Performance. This parameter and performance both are inversely proportional to performance. Performance is inversely proportional to what, sir? number of rows, inversely proportional to number of rows. If number of rows are increasing, my performance will be decreasing. Number of rows are decreasing, my performance will be increases. So by default is almost, sir, 65K is the by default. By default is 65K. Okay, that point is clear. Now, sir, if you give log level more than 2, will it impact on performance? Yeah, I will talk that after few minutes, sir, that point. Now, you people understand here one thing that is called as, I have here 65,001. What is the meaning of that one? We understand. Let us move on to the next one. Next one, query status. Query status is what, sir? Successful. This parameter is available in log level 1 or not? It is available in log level 1. Now, next one. Rows. How many rows came from the database? How many rows came from the database, sir? 0 rows. How many rows showing to the customer? Is it any chances there to differ these two things? How many rows coming from the database? How many rows we are showing to the customer? These two things are always equal to, or any time it is going to differ? It is going to differ also, right? What way it is going to differ, sir? Can you give an example? It is going to support actually segmentation. I mean to say, I can take reason column, revenue column from MS Excel database, reason column and goals column. Goals means what, sir? Forecasting. Forecasting column from Oracle database. At that moment, backend, what it is going to do is, it is going to send one SQL query to the MS Excel, give the result. It send one query to the Oracle database, will give the result. 2 physical SQL queries. Once it is 2 results came, it is going to merge internally. It is going to show to the user. In that case, what is happening, sir? From MS Excel, let us say 5 records I got. From Oracle, I got, let us say 4 records I got. These two things it is merging. Resultant, I got here 4 records only. I got 4 records. I am free. From database, how many records I am getting, sir? Here 9 records. You got my point? Whenever multiple databases are available in our report, create the multiple physical SQL queries. At that moment, each physical SQL query is going to give some result. Once I got the result, it has to merge internally. It has to show to the user. In that case, these two parameters are going to differ. As long as we have only single SQL queries available, these two parameters are what, sir? Same. Now, physical query response time 0 seconds. These 3 things whatever available. This one. Talking about what, sir? Time only. Talking about time only. Now tell me, what are the parameters extra available in log level 2 comparatively log level 1? What are the parameters extra available in log level 2 comparatively log level 1? Number 1 is physical SQL query. Number 2 is general query info. Number 3 is number of rows writing from the database. Number 4 is number of rows showing to the customer. Those are the 4 things whatever available. If you go and see your notes, what happened? My notes I didn't open. If you go and see your notes, whatever available in log level 1, those all things are there in log level 2. Correct or not, sir? On top of it, it is giving repository name, business model name, and subject area name it is giving. SQL for the request using what, sir? Physical queries syntax it is giving. Query issued against to the cache. This one we come to understand down the line. As of now, ignore it. Number of rows written from the physical database. Number of rows written to the client or report. Number of rows written to the client or report. Now, anyone ask a question, log level 1 versus log level 2, are you in a position to differentiate or not, sir? You are in a position to differentiate. Am I clear? Right. Now, let us walk through the one by one point which is available here. First point. Oracle BI server provides a facility for logging query activity at the individual user level. That is correct or not, sir? I can go back to my RPD, manage, identity, action menu, set online user filters, then star. Okay. For this B195 DDR, if I want 7, I can give the 7 also. For this user, Kalyan user, I want, let us say, 3 I want, I can give the 3. That means this property I am doing at the user level or not, sir? User level, whatever I want, I can give it. Whatever I want, I can give it. That's what we are saying this first point. Oracle-based server provides facility for logging query activity at the individual user level. By default, log level is what, sir? 0. Log levels are available from where to where? 0 to 7. In production, we use log level as 0, that is no log level. This process is useful to improve the performance of environment by reducing log creation work of Oracle BI server. Suppose in development means I have only 10 users or 10 to users or 30 users maybe. In testing also I have maybe 10 users or 5 users may be available. Coming to the production, how many users are available, sir? 100 users, 200 users, 300 users also. For example, out of 300 users, concurrent users are 30 users are available. 10%, that is 10% of 300 is 30. Concurrent means what, sir? Simultaneous users. 30 members are available. 30 members are running 30 different reports. Then my Oracle-based server has to create what, sir? 30 logs it has to create. Because of this one, Oracle-based server need to invest some time on creating the log or not. That is what I feel is performance degrade. That is what I feel is performance degrade. Okay, that is the reason we are recommending log level is equal to 0 in production. That is the reason we are recommending what, sir? Log level is 0 in production. That is one point. Second point, tell me, whatever you saw this log, right? This log is at any point of time business user is going to benefit by seeing this log, sir. Business user is going to understand anything by seeing this log. If business user is not able to understand anything by seeing this log, what is the point for that guy user? Log level is equal to if you make. Business user not required this log. Then why you are making that user log level is equal to? Not required, right? Yes. Even in the production environment also, if really require log, you may require log for the admin. For admin user alone, you can keep log level is equal to what, sir? To remaining all business users can keep log level is equal to 0. Why I require for admin is, let us say there is a probability, even though we take an extreme care in development, extreme care in testing, there is a possibility 1 or 2 reports may be behave differently in the production. Those things you need to debug means I require at least admin guy should have the log level. Am I clear? Right. You people understand that point. In production, we use 0, that is no log level. This process is useful to improve the performance of environment by reducing log creation work of Oracle-based server. Yeah, question is, do we need to set the log level for each user? Yes, for each user we need to set the log level. However, we are going to set log level for only developers and testers only. How many developers and how many testers will be available, sir? 10 or 20. So that is not a big deal. If you want to set the log level for the business users means is a problem. By default, business users, what I am saying, sir, log level I'll keep 0 only, log level I'll keep 0 only. By default, log level also 0 only, so there is no manual work involved over there. Business users, we are not setting log level. By default is what, sir? 0. We also want 0 only. By default, business users log level is what, sir? 0 only. I too want log level is business user for is 0. So no manual work is interacted in case of business users, involved in case of business users. Sorry? Global log level is not there. There is no global log level. And one more question. We can create group and add users to set log level? No. There is no, what is the question is, n number of users I am going to keep in one group. Group level, can I keep the log level? Answer is no. This property is clearly given the first point. First point, at the level of what, sir? Individual user level. No group level, no environment level, no server level. It is an individual user level. Individual user level. Am I clear? Right. Now, next point. One more question. Will admin see the log generated by all the users in nqquery.loz? How about the individual users? Do they see it only for themselves? Yes. Here one more question is, I am about to discuss that one actually. Suppose I am an administrator, I want to see log of all the users. At that moment, backend we have one file, that file is known as my computer, C drive, then OBI home, instance 1, then I have diagnostics, logs, Oracle BA server component, core application. Yesterday we have chance to see one file, that file is what, sir? nqserver.log. Now we have one file, that file is known as nqquery.log. Tell me, from morning, how many times we ran the report, sir? 3 times we ran it, right? We ran one time with the log level 2. This is everything only or not, sir? Observe this one. This is everything only. At what time you ran, sir? Time you can observe. Timestamp you can observe here. Timestamp you can observe. The timestamp is available here. 740. 740 is the time when we ran the log level 2. This is log level 2 corresponding. That is the reason we are seeing here period key is equal to product key condition also. And if you go, this is what the separation between previous log and this log. And if you go for the previous log, this one we ran with log level is equal to 1. That is the reason. What is there, sir, here? There is no physical SQL query. And before that one we ran, but log level is equal to what, sir? 0. That is the reason no log is created. This is not our query. It is what, sir? Reason here dollars, that is something else. It is something else, some other batch. If you go and see the time also, 2014-04, when, sir, it is? 16. 16 means what, sir? It is yesterday date. Today my date is, as for the India, it is 17. As for the India, it is 17. Okay. So what I would like to say is, even though I ran 3 times, one time I ran with log level is equal to 0, one time I ran with log level is equal to 1, one time I ran with log level is equal to log level 2, log level 1 I can find out, log level 0 I cannot find out. Why? Because log level 0 is what, sir? No log. Log level 0 meaning no log. Am I clear? Right. If you want to see all the users and all the logs, if you want to see, you need to take help of the nqquery.log file. nqquery.log file. That's what I am telling in the next point. In development and testing environment, we use log level is equal to what, sir? 2. Why? Because we need to keep on debug the things. The query log file is named as nqquery.log and is located in the directory. This is what the directory it is available. This is what the directory it is available. Am I clear? Right. Thereafter, log level 1 versus log level 2. This is what it is available. Now, I am giving one exercise to you. What is the exercise is? Tomorrow, I want log level 2 and log level 3 difference. Log level 2 and what, sir? Log level 3 difference I want. Log level 2 and log level 3 difference. Can you get it or not, sir? Develop one report and give the 2 as the log level and run that one. Same report, run with the log level 3 and take these logs and try to compare that one. Then you come to understand the differences. Yes or no, sir? But no one is going to ask in the questions log level 2 and log level 3 difference. Everyone is going to interested in what, sir? Log level 1 versus log level 2. In development and testing environments, we are going to use log level is equal to what, sir? 2. In production environment, we are using log level is equal to what, sir? 0. To improve the performance. That's what the conclusion. Okay. Log main purpose is what, sir? To debug your report. That's what the main purpose of this log. Am I clear this point? Any questions on this one? No? Okay. So I completed log level. Tomorrow I will cover this modifying RPD in online mode means what, and offline versus online, and also I will be covering adding multiple sources. This chapter also will be completed. Hands-on 5, adding multiple sources also I am going to complete tomorrow. Am I clear, sir? Okay. Thank you. Anyone has any questions? Jen, Summer, and your friends, please Please let me know if you have any questions. You are able to follow?
Yeah, we are able to follow.
You are able to follow, sir? In real time, how you will set the number of rows more than 65k? I shown the parameter, right? That parameter, if you update, that automatically it is going to set for you. I shown one parameter here, right? This parameter, if I change lock and date configuration, if I change this parameter, then automatically it accepts the how many rows you want, that many rows it is going to accept it. Okay, right. Yes. Anupama, is it clear for you? Any questions from your side? Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. Then I will start with the ODA class. What is your question? Question, I didn't see you. What is your question? Question, will admin see the log generated by all the users in nqquery.loc? Yes, that is seen by admin. That's correct. That's what I shown the nqquery.loc. However, the individual users, do they see it only for themselves? That is also correct. Normal users will be seeing the log of their self only. That means other users log, they cannot see it. That is correct. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.